Hello everyone, my name is Eugene. Welcome back to the channel, and as usual, a special welcome to you if you're new. Now today's lesson is going to be based on addition of decimals. The lesson we did previously was a preparation lesson for this, so I hope you have been paying attention to that. Now before we go into the lesson, as usual, I'd like to remind you to like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe to the channel. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the lesson. All right, today we're going to look at addition of decimals, but before we do that, we're going to do a regular addition. And by regular, what I mean is that we're going to do an addition which does not involve decimal. You're not going to see any point in there, just for practice. All right, so let's try this. So that's 3,641 plus 286. So let's set it out. Now for the next number that we're going to add to that, we have to make sure we start putting in the numbers from the ones place. If you don't do that, then you might just end up with the incorrect answer. So let us do it the right way. So put the 6 underneath the 1. So the 8 falls underneath the 4, and the 2 falls underneath the 6. So we can go ahead and add. So 6 and 1, 7, 8 and 4, 12. We put the 2 down, carry the 1. And when we are adding, and we get a number like we get 12 there, always remember the second number is the number you put down, and the first number is the number you carry over. Always remember that. The second number, or the second digit, is the one you put down, and the first one is the one you take over. So 6 and 2, 8, and the one you take over make 9. There's nothing to add to the 3, so bring the 3 down. So our answer is 3,927. Now let's go on to the decimals. Now an easy way to set out numbers when you have decimals involved is to make sure that when you put the first number, the other set of numbers that you're going to add to that, you're going to make sure that you put the point exactly underneath the first one. So in the case of this one, 1.643, let's put it down. 1.643. The first thing we do is to put our point. The number after the point is 6, and we have 2 2's coming in front of the point. So put 1 2 here, I'll put the other 2 here. And then we draw a line, put our addition sign, and we can put placeholders just to fill the places. All right, 3 and 0, 3, 4 and 0, 4, 6 and 6, 12. Put the 2 down, bring the 1 over. Put our point, don't forget the point, very important. 2 and 1, 3, and 1, 4. Nothing to add to the 2, so just bring the 2 down. So our answer is 24.243. All right, let's move on to the other one. All right, the other one is 286.1. 286.1. Remember, the first thing we do is put the point down. Okay, the next number, the number after the point is 6. So the 6 goes there, and the 8 comes over here. The number in front of the point is 1, so it goes in the ones place. And then now we can add. Can put placeholders there. Not a must, but can also the places with them. So 8 and 0, by the way, let us put our plus sign before we forget. 8 and 0 give you 8, 6 and 1, 7, put your point, 6 and 1, 7, 8, and 2. All right, so our answer is 287.78. All right, so let's move on to the other one. All right, the other one is 37.6. 37.6. By the way, 37.61, I'm sorry. The next one is 92.7. So put our point first. Then we're going to put the 7 there because the 7 is the first number, with the under number after the point. Then the 2 goes there and the 9 goes here. So we can add now. So put our plus sign, put a placeholder there if we want to. 1 and 0 give you 1, 7 and 6 give you 13. Put your point, bring the 1 over. So 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10. Put the 0 down, bring the 1 over. 9 and 3, 12. And 1 give you 13. So the number there is 130.31. All right, next one. And that one is 49.27 plus 1.342. Put our point first. So the 3 goes there, the 4 goes here, and the 2 goes there. And the number in front is 1, so the 1 goes exactly underneath the 9 there. So we can go ahead and add. Can put a placeholder here if we want. It's not a must because the 0 actually doesn't change the value. That's why we put the 0 there, just to hold the place. All right, 2 and 0 give you 2. 7 and 4 give you 11. Put the 1 down, bring the other 1 over. 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 6. Don't forget the point, very important. 9 and 1, 10. Put the 0 down, bring the 1 over. And 4 and 1 give you 5. So your answer there is 50.612. All right, let's go on to the last one. Okay, the last one is 8.976. 8.976. The first thing we do is put our point. The first number after the point is 2, so it goes there. And the 8 automatically falls into place. The numbers in front of the point are 1 and 2, so the 2 goes there underneath the 1s, and the 1 goes there. And remember, we can put placeholders if we want to. Alright, put our plus sign before we forget. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 and 7, 15. Put the 5 down, carry the 1. 9 and 2, 11 and 1 give you 12. Put your point, very important. We bring the point, the 1 from the 12 over. 8 and 2, 10 and 1, 11. I'll bring the 1 over, so 1 and 1 give you 2. So the answer for that is 21.256. And the same principle applies to, for example, let's say you had 3 sets of numbers. Here, all the problem that we have here have 2 sets of numbers. But let's say we had multiple set of numbers, like 3 set of numbers or 4 set of numbers. The same principle applies. We put the point first, and we line up the numbers just the same like what we did here. So nothing difficult. Right? So that's it. That's all for today, folks. I hope you have enjoyed that lesson and you have gained something from it. So with that said, I just want to remind you to like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next lesson.